Hey, hi. I am RMG here. Welcome to Learn with RMG YouTube channel. And today I'm here with a superb content how to create a website for you all guys. Okay, before I start, this video is made for someone who is confused in creating a website or what is a domain and hosting, where to buy a domain and hosting, how to buy a domain and hosting. If you have a business and you are trying to make some customers via your own website, and the people who make products, example t-shirts, sarees, and hand crafted, hand looped, whatever it may be, if you want to sell them via online, you can create your website. And finally, if you need to make money online, if you believe in yourself, and you can learn a method by this video, how to create a base for your future earnings. Yes, website is base for all online money makers. Why I choose this content? Website is most important for every online money maker. If you want to do blogging, sell your products, grow your business, and affiliate marketing, email marketing, drop shipping, or reselling products, and finally, you must know that all your competitors, when you come to digital marketing, all your competitors are having a website to grow their business. So you must have a website for yourself or for your business. Okay, website is nothing but a form of domain and hosting. In other words, a virtual address connected with World Wide Web is also called a website. Okay, now let's see what is a domain. Domain is name of the address of the website. So, example www.learnwithrmg.com is a domain, and learnwithrmg is domain, and .com is the extension. Okay, um, and hosting is nothing but a server. Now let's see where we can create a website. We can create a website using popular website creating sites, because we cannot do HTML codes and PHP. So we are using the popular sites to make our website, like wix.com, WordPress, Blogger. A Blogger is nothing but it's by Google. Okay, now let's see where we can buy a domain and hosting. Like website creating sites, there are n number of popular sites which provide hosting and domain. Let me read it for you. GoDaddy, Hostinger, Google Domain, Network Solutions, Namecheap, BigRock, A2 Hosting, and more like hostgator, Blueshot, Register.com, Squarespace. These are the popular domain and host providers. So I'm choosing Hostinger because it is cheaper than all, and it can provide all the features that others give for higher rates. Okay, now let's see WordPress. Let's go to WordPress, select wordpress.com. Okay, this is wordpress.com. So here we are going to create our own website. Okay, now scroll down, you can see this plans, how they are charging actually. Okay, this is their plans. So for us, for the beginners, you have to know what is a website, and so you have to work with it. So you can use Blogger for initial purpose, and you can learn well, and you can come here and you can select this premium. So I'm here going to select premium because personal is I won't recommend personal. So you can go with premium, you will get all the features. So you can go with premium pack. 280 rupees per month will be cheap when you hold a business, when you sell your products through your website. or even though you do affiliate marketing, it is completely cheap to 80 rupees per month, so you can go with premium. The next tab will be like this. This is the step 1. You can log in with your Gmail account. Now the step 2 is you have to select a domain. First of all, type your business name or the name which you like to see in your domain address. So I am here typing learnwithrmg. So they gave a learnwithrmg.in, okay, but I want a .com, okay. So here it is free. It is free for 1 year and it renews at 1,260 per year, okay. This is cheap actually. 1,260 per year is cheap when it comes to renewal. I'm selecting that. Okay, this is the final page. So we have selected wordpress.com premium and domain learnwithrmg.com. It is completely free and the premium version is $96. And now we have to fill contact information. I will fill it. Okay, now when you complete your contact information, you will be in this page. So for your payment, I'm selecting PayPal. Okay, this is how you can buy or you can create using wordpress.com. Now let's go to hostgator. Why we came here is because we need a host. So yeah, we came here. Hostgator provides cheap host and domain as well. So this is the front page. Now let's buy a hosting. So these guys also have their pack, like a single web hosting, premium, business. So I prefer premium here because when you take single, you can hold only one website in your hosting. So you will be around 30 GB SSD storage and you won't get a free domain also. So you can go with premium. You can hold 100 websites. 100 you may think that you won't create 100 websites, but when you have enough hosting, you can create more and more website. When you do affiliate marketing, you need more websites, so you can choose a best hosting. So 179 per month. Investing in hosting is a good amount, so you can go with this 179 per month. If you want, you can see all the features. I'm adding this to the cart. Okay, next it will be like this. So 179 for 4 years they have selected. You can save up to 55% and you are eligible for free domain. I have choosing .com. It's free for 1 year. When you go for 3 years, it is 2000. Okay, you are getting domain for 3 years for 2000 rupees and your hosting is around 10,000. It is hosting for 4 years is around 10,000. And if you go to 2 years 24 months, it will be around. Okay, I'm cancelling domain for 3 years and making it as 1, and hosting us 2 years 24 months. Okay, it's around 6,000 rupees now. So we are getting a free domain with 2 years of hosting with a SSL certificate. Okay, now it will redirect you to this page for payment. You can choose your payment method and buy your hosting. That's how simple it would be. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you, and I'm extremely sorry for those background noises. I'm a YouTube starter, so I need your support to make more videos like this, and I hope you will recognize my work and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, and make sure you share this video with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. It will motivate me more. Thanks for watching.